Lately, I've been sharing a lot of simple, nutritious recipes, but I actually love making classic dishes. So today, I'm going to share a simple honey pork ribs recipe. It's so delicious, and you get that lovely sticky glaze on the pork ribs. Very basic, simple ingredients you'll be able to find in your pantry. Whenever I make this, it's literally gone within minutes. So let's get started. First, let's marinate the pork ribs. Before that, make sure you rinse the pork ribs with water at least a few times until the water runs clear. Okay, now I'm gonna transfer the pork ribs to a mixing bowl. Marinate with some salt, light soy sauce, a generous amount of honey. Okay. Mix well. Just make sure each piece of pork rib is well coated. Cover with a cling wrap and then place this in the fridge for 1.5 hours. You can also prep this the day before. Place the pork ribs in the fridge or freezer and let it marinate overnight. It actually turns out even more flavorful and more tender. Okay, now let's place this in the fridge. Okay, the pork ribs have been marinating in the fridge for 1.5 hours. Now I'm gonna leave it on the counter for another 30 minutes to bring it back to room temperature. Okay, now let's add some oil. Okay, don't add too much because it's gonna spatter quite a bit. You want to make sure you don't overcrowd the pan. I'm gonna pan fry the pork ribs in 2 batches. Leave it to cook on one side until it turns golden brown. Just make sure you use low to medium heat because there's quite a bit of honey in it. If you use high heat, it's gonna burn quite easily. Okay, so okay, once both sides turn golden brown, remove from the wok. More oil. Cook the next batch. Okay, once the second batch is done, add back the first batch of pork ribs. I'm also going to add some ginger and rock sugar. Add some dark soy sauce, some water, then toss a few times. Cover with a lid, reduce to the lowest heat, and let it cook for about 20 minutes. If you want that fall off the bone texture, cook it on low heat for about 1.5 to 2 hours. Just remember to add water when necessary. Okay, let's see. Wow, it smells so good. Okay, now I'm gonna increase to about medium heat. Cook until the sauce thickens. If there is quite a lot of liquid, you can always increase the heat. Just be careful that there is a lot of sugar in it, so it will burn quite easily. Okay, the sauce has thickened. Switch off the stove. Arrange the pork ribs on a serving plate. Garnish with sesame seeds. These have already been toasted. Add some spring onions. Okay, smells so good. Okay, let me try one. There's a nice sticky glaze on the meat. The meat is chewy, springy, and you get that lovely sweetness from the honey. It's just so delicious. You have to try this. See you next time.